one of the good features of Odoo, which allows us to have a flexible options to manage and change the format of dates. As we are aware that different countries and different accounting systems require the date to be presented in a different manner. Some countries or some cultures use DD, YY. Some people use DD, and YY. So Odoo gives us a very flexible and configurable option to manage this across. Now, to do that, you can go to the settings and under translations, which will show you the list of languages. You can choose for which particular language you would like to change the date format. Here you can see that we have different languages. We'll click on English. After you click on edit, you have options to make a lot of changes. Like for example, you can change how the format separator format will work, how decimal separator would be kept. Our focus of this particular video is the date format and the time format. As you can see, I have the option to change. We have a complete legend which is available for your ease in case we are confused how to do the representation. So in this case, as I can see that the first thing that is displayed is the month, then the date and the year. Let me change this from month and date to date month. Okay. So I'm going to click on save, and this should save my date format. I'll simply need to refresh related to any data. Let's have a look. As soon as I refresh the records, as you can see here, the system was first appearing in the month, date and year format, but now it has started appearing in DD, YY format. Please note that a basic refresh is necessary and this can be managed per language. Please also understand that this change happens across the system and you do not have the flexibility where you can choose this particular field or particular model or per user. This change will impact all the fields related to date within the system. In case your requirement is related to the fact that you need to change the format for specific fields, then it will require a separate set of customization. Okay. If I go back to the settings once again and will change the date again, so you can see here the full weekday name is also appearing. If you type P, then it will give you the name of the full month. It will also give you the weekday name and the month name and so on. Okay, I'll simply make the change to reflect month and date once again. I'll click on save. I'm going to purchase section once again. You can see DDMMYY. Now I'm going to refresh my screen. And you can see it is now back to the same format that was we originally started. That's all on this video. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.